Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force. An RAF Poseidon has been in exercises with the US Navy in the North Sea. Poseidon is a maritime patrol aircraft equipped for an anti-submarine warfare, surveillance and search and rescue missions. The RAF LGBTQ Network represented the service at Pride London, proudly showing how today's RAF is more inclusive and representative than ever before. The Typhoon display team joined up with George Russell and the Mercedes AMG F1 team, showing how engineering excellence and teamwork is key on the F1 grid and RAF operations. Cadets from Modular Officer Training Course number 20 and Specialist Officer Training Course number 9 graduated from RAF Cranwell on June 22nd. Congratulations. The 2023 Armed Forces Day event was held in Falmouth. RAF St Morgan, the Red Arrows and the RAF Falcons highlighted the work our armed forces do in keeping the people of the UK safe. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.